In this video, we will walk through a Route StartLine instruction. Step 1 is to insert a new row if placing the instruction in the body of the bill of materials. Next, ensure the correct row has been selected by clicking any cell in the empty row. Once the instruction is placed into Excel by EnVision, the data is overwritten. Routing has its own section in the toolbox. Select the Routing section and choose the Start Line instruction as displayed in the video. EnVision will place the instruction into the desired row selected earlier. All gray cells require the user to enter data. The first is face. Which face will the router be machining? In most cases, it will be the top face. Next, define the X location for the start of the route. Then, define the Y location. Moving further to the right, the next cell defines the starting depth of cut. This value needs to be negative in order to remove material. Define the tool number from campus. Next, define the compensation for the route. Default is center. Default lead in and lead out are 0. No lead in or lead out. 1 is a linear lead, 2 is a radial, and 3 is a lateral. The next cell defines the direction of the cut. Neutral will follow the direction of the route. Climb cut and power cut could reverse the direction of the cut based on the tool used. C-axis tilt is the next cell required. Most users can leave this at 0, unless they need to rotate an aggregate. The next cell is the number of steps to complete the route at the required depth. The depth defined will be divided by the number of steps. Next is the distance to contour. The route can be offset by the distance to contour. Positive moves the start point to the right of the direction of travel, and negative moves the start point to the left of the direction of travel. And finally, the feed rate. If left default, it will be the feed rate defined on the tool that was called earlier in this instruction. This feed rate can be found in MT Manager. This concludes the instruction start line for routing.